ready now. You dey cool my temperature. All I go can deliver. I look up all your hand in the line. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cock, you know, feel like that. I'm a handle.
Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate your support. Anyways, you guys, in today's video I'm gonna be giving you another twerking tutorial. This time it's gonna be very short. I am going to give you a tutorial on how to shake it in a circle. So today we are going to be shaking our bums in a circle, you know. Anyways, you guys, let's get started. So guys, we are going to get straight into it. I have like 3 tips. First tip is, when you're twerking, don't overthink at all, just do it. Second tip is, wear something loose, wear something that is loose, that is going to let your butt jiggle, you know. You don't want to wear jeans or stuff like that. Third tip, find good music. And in this video I'm definitely not going to, you know, put good music because it's going to be copyrighted. I'm just gonna put some random music. So you have to find good music when you're twerking. That's it. Let's get right into it. So the first step, we are going to move our hips in a circle like this. You can put your hands down like this. You can put them up like this. It's all up to you, whatever that is comfortable for you. So again, 1 2 3 go. You're moving in a circle like you're doing the hula hoop in a circle. Guys, let me tell you something. Twerking and whining is a sport. It's really a sport. Anyways, let's continue. 1 2 3 go. Circle. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's do that again slowly. 1 2 3. Circle, 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 another circle, last one. Right, so I'm gonna show you this from the side. 1 2 3 go. The circle. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I'm gonna show you now from the back. Yeah, from the back. 1 2 3 go. 1 2 3 4 5. From the front a little bit faster. 1 2 3 go. 2 3 4 5. Again from the front. 1 2 3 go. 1 2 3 4 5. From the back. 1 2 3 go. 1 2 3 4 5. Now we're going to try it from the last time, way faster. From the front 1 time, and then from the back 1 time. Then we're going to try it with some music. 1 2 3 go. From the front. Okay, we're gonna try it from the front now. 1 2 3 go. 1 2 3 4 5. I'm out of breath. Now from the back. 1 2 3 go. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is simple as that. You just have to roll your hips. You know, roll your hips. Don't be looking like this when you're rolling your hips. there's someone walking outside with high heels. Anyways, you don't want to be looking like this, you know. You will look like this. You have to arch your back, you know. Arch your back to get nice results. Anyways, let us put some music. It's definitely not the best music, but we have to try this with some music. You guys, thank you so much for watching. You already know I appreciate your support so much. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, let me know if you learned something in this video. You can comment in the comment section box, and let me know also what other videos you would like to see when it comes to whining, twerking, and I will definitely do a tutorial for you guys. So I guess that's it. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.